Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to the 5th installment of a CLA on a Bolex D8L. So, as of last, what we've done is continued the dismantling of the front of the camera and remove the viewfinder, light meter, which is also a frame rate selector, counter, and the viewfinder part down here has a lot of fog and mold inside of it, disrupting the viewable image. So we're going to have to dismantle this and clean that inside. So let's get started on that. Okay, so next we're going to separate it. And as you can see, very possibly there's a lot of fog in there, a lot of fungus, and in this one. So, time to start cleaning. Okay, next we're going to clean the outside with some light soap and water. More importantly, the inside, and avoiding the red arrow, as it's very delicate. A lot of dirt and fungus on the inside of this camera. A lot. Okay, and on that part, we're done. Moving forward. Okay, next, I'm going to clean the inside, back behind the needle, with a light soap and water, the needle itself, surrounding areas inside the chassis of this viewfinder light meter. Okay. And later I'll apply some small, very small touch of oil, lubrication. I'm going to dry it. As I can look in here now, I can see there's a very clear image. Moving on to the next part. Alright, again, applying some light soap and water. Going to clean off this internal part, and this one is extremely filthy in here. A lot of fungus. I mean a lot. Big pieces of dirt. Now we're going to dry it off. Now the other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do here on the other side is I'm going to push lightly the glass on the inside forward, and it's going to drop out on the other side. Alright, grasp it. Careful on the black needle indicator on the other side, which is right there, if you can even see it where my finger is. There you should be. And now, with the fungus, including the sealant around there, we're going to start cleaning this off with a light soap and water. And this is going to be the way it's going to be all the way around. So here we go. Moving forward. Now, as you can see, the glass is completely clean, and I have a clean, clear, crisp, viewable image. Moving on. Next, I'm going to clean the perimeter on the inside of here. A lot of dirt there, as you can see. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Installment number 5 on a CLA on a Bolex D8L. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. More to come. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.